looking at this 1 minute chart here of Euro USD and really how to trade the 1 minute candlestick trading strategy, what you want to do is have a few rules first. So the first rule of this strategy is trade in direction of the trend. So how do we define the trend for the 1 minute candlestick trading strategy? Well, we use an exponential moving average. If we add a moving average, period A and exponential, we can see the moving average like this. And basically what this rule now says is I only want to take trades that have the entry level above the moving average for buy signals and below the moving average for sell signals. So the setup for the 1 minute trading strategy is basically very simple, a candlestick pattern. And the candlestick pattern is the doji candlestick. And we define the doji candlestick by body is 1/3 of the range of the candle. So this right here is a doji, and you see this is a doji. These bodies here are too big, so these are not dojis. Here's a doji and here's a doji. All right, so now we have trend and we have the setup. And what are the entry and exit rules for this strategy? Well, plain and simple. For bearish short trades, you want a doji with its low below the moving average, and preferably you want the lower shadow to be longer than the upper shadow. And the entry for this strategy is the low of the doji, and you place your stop loss above the doji and you place your take profit 1-to-1 risk reward. So let's look at how that would look. Our entry would be here, our stop loss would be here, and our take profit would be down here. This would play out very nice, basically entry and take profit down here. And this candlestick here broke down and then closed up, so right into our take profit and then up and closed higher, and then it continued lower. Now we don't have a new signal here during this whole time, but then you have a doji here, and you want the entry to be above the moving average, and you want preferably the upper shadow to be longer than the lower, and you place your entry at the high, you place your stop loss below the doji, and you place your take profit 1-to-1 risk reward. So for this, place your entry here, you would place your stop loss here, your take profit here. So this was also a nice winning trade here. The beautiful thing about this strategy is that you can let your profits run. And how do you do that? This is kind of an upgrade for you guys to trade a 1 minute trading strategy, and really this will increase your profits a lot. So you see, you already take very small risk here, and to really increase the profitability and make very high rewards here is you don't place a take profit target. Instead, you use the moving average as your trailing stop loss. So as you can see here, for this trade here, you would still be in this trade because price hasn't touched the moving average yet. So I mean, this is a risk reward of at least 10-to-1. So this is a very powerful strategy when used correctly. We have a new doji, and as I said, the high is above the moving average, so this is a valid trade. So our entry or stop loss is below the doji, and you can either place your take profit 1-to-1 or you can let this ride. Here would be the point where you exited if you let your profits run, and like you can take half your trades off at the 1-to-1 and let the other half run. Just before right here we had a doji as well, and this too is a valid buy with entry or stop loss, and this was also a winning trade. And that, guys, is how you trade the 1 minute candlestick trading strategy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on the screen for a free gift. Thanks for watching.